Nail Art for Beginners number 17. If you have missed Easy Nail Art for Beginners number 1 through 16, there are 16 other videos exactly like this. I will put that playlist down below so you can find them all in one spot. I do these every single month, and last month I didn't do one just because I was doing so many like holiday tutorials because it was December, so I was doing, you know, Christmas, holiday, New Year's Eve, that kind of thing. But they are back, so thumbs up the video if you want to continue to see these every single month, and let me know in the comments below which manicure is your favorite from today's video, 1, 2, or 3. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorials. Manicure number 1. I'm just starting with a white base, and then I'm going to go in with my nail polish color. You could use any color that you would like to. You're just going to kind of sweep it into a triangle shape towards the base of your nail. And this doesn't have to be perfect. The lines don't have to be perfectly straight because we are going to be outlining it with our black striper. And then you're just going to fill it in. You also want to take that same color and just make a little tip at the top of your nail. And again, the line doesn't have to be perfect because we will be outlining it. Going in with your black nail striper, you're just going to outline your triangle. Here is the finished manicure once I added my top coat. I love this manicure. It's so simple and you get a really awesome effect on your nail.